Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File Explorer and choosing the exact folder where the file will live. This matters because permissions and path affect future access. Once done, set view options so you can see extensions and hidden items. This prevents accidental TXT versus doc confusion. Now create space. Click in the folder background or press Ctrl+Shift+N for new folder, or right-click, point to new, and prepare to choose the specific file type you need. You now create the actual file. Right-click, select New and pick the type you want, or open the application, Notepad, Word, and save as directly into that folder to control format and encoding. Make sure to include the correct extension when naming. This tells Windows what app to use. If you need a specific template, save a copy from the app into the folder. Once created, confirm properties like read/write permissions so the file behaves as expected. You finish by renaming with F2, opening the file to verify contents, and moving it into place or pinning the folder for quick access. Make sure the default app is set via Open with so files open consistently. This avoids accidental edits. If something prevents creating a file, for example, the new menu is missing or access denied, check folder permissions, disable problematic shell extensions, or restart Explorer. exe. These steps usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.